Hey guys, normally I try to limit the teacher talk to the bare minimum, straight to the point and focus on the learning experience. Today I'm going to ask you what would you like to see on this channel next year. So I have created this little Google form when you can send me some suggestions for the future tutorial. You can select the apps you'll use so that I can know what kind of tutorial should I make next year. Alright, as you can see, this is the multiple choice selection, so you can select more than one. After that, feel free to just type the topic of the next tutorial you would like to see, or you can think about the stuff that you have learned this year that was like not obvious, like it took you a while to actually learn that thing. It was not easy to use that tool, or maybe there's not enough tutorials about it. So just give me a suggestion what kind of helpful content I can make for you guys, or maybe you already mastered that but you just want to help others. So that would be fine as well. Alright, this year I updated my setup, so I bought a brand new microphone, I put some foam on my walls, make my wife a bit angry. Alright, so I try my best with the audio to be better, and I think we managed to eliminate those keystrokes completely. That was the problem last year. You guys complaining in the comments all the time that the keys from my keyboards are too loud. I think you cannot hear them now at all. So that's a nice change and something behind the scenes. Now I can actually use aircon. So there's like 30 degrees all the time here in Thailand, and I can finally record and use aircon same time. So that's a huge improvement for my comfort. So let me know, how was the audio quality this year from 1 to 10? Then, are you a subscriber, or you just watch those videos when they pop randomly in your stream? You can put yes or no here if you like. By the way, you can skip any question you want. You can still submit the answers without answering all of the questions. Alright, normally I do 2 tutorials per week. Do you think I should do like one, but like longer one, like 15-20 minutes? Stay with 2, or maybe I should work extra hard and try to make 3 tutorials per week. You can suggest me that here. Are you interested in learning about some like AI tools? I kind of behind the scene try to learn about this stuff myself. I feel like there's a new update, like a huge news like monthly now. It's really hard to keep up with that stuff. Behind the scenes, I try to learn more about it and study this stuff as well, because I need to literally teach that at school. I need to redo some of my slideshows because so much change about this. Would you like to see some of this content here in the channel? Let me know in this question. By the way, we kind of approaching like 20,000 subscribers, so maybe there will be some kind of Q&A specials. I don't really know that you guys are interested in something like that. If you got some question for me on any topic, you can put it here. And if there's enough questions, we can make some kind of special video about Q&A. Alright, what hardware do you usually use? Is that a laptop or tablet or both? In my case, I use like mostly laptop. When I switch to this MacBook Air, is so tiny and the battery is so good that I kind of keep forgetting about my tablet nowadays. So for me nowadays, the laptop is a king. Alright, so I plan to do more tutorials with like the assets, something you may see this month, right? There's a tutorial and I explain how to make a brush, and they give you a few brushes that we make during this tutorial. So I plan to continue with that, and you can tell me what kind of assets would you like to see next year. What kind of assets do you use in your Affinity software? If you use a premium classes, like you're buying like 4-hour, 3-hour long class on like Udemy, stuff like that, so you can suggest me which platform I'm on, so I can align with you and I can upload some of those classes I made myself to the platform of your choice. This year, many of you complain about Skillshare, that you don't really want to go to Skillshare and subscribe to Skillshare, so I move few of my classes to Udemy to make you guys happy and myself happy, because you purchased them, right? So the dollars goes to my account at the end. So that was something you suggest. So let me know if you are users of like premium content, you buying educational content. Are you on Skillshare, Udemy, or maybe other websites? You can let me know here, or just skip this question if that's not about you. Would you like to see some written tutorials? This is kind of outside my comfort zone. I don't really like to write long content. I prefer to show. So that's something that I'm considering doing the next year, few written tutorials as well, just to kind of go out of my comfort zone, to stretch out, to learn more about how to convey the similar learning experience in the written form. So I probably will do a few just to train myself. And if you are interested in written tutorials, you can also follow me on Facebook, because probably I'm going to post them on Facebook. That's like, I don't want to set up a new platform just to practice that stuff. So for the first few, you will be able to find them on Facebook, and then I will decide that I want to stick with that or no. And here is the final insult. So whatever you want to add to this questionnaire that I forget about, you can type it here, whatever you like or hate, or want to just give me a suggestion, put it in the last question here. And if you manage to answer all of that quickly, there's a little prize for you. Alright guys, so today there's no tutorial, but today is your chance to suggest me the topic of upcoming tutorial, something that I will take and then make some kind of to-do list for myself for 2024. Thank you for your ongoing support this year. Thank you for watching those tutorials here on YouTube. Alright, so today it's your chance to suggest some topics, give me some direction for next year tutorials, and I hope I will see you next time. Bye!